In this tutorial, we are going to cover the media library and how you interact with it with your LifeSignsWeb.com account. Begin by navigating to LifeSignsWeb.com and go ahead and log in. And the first tab that you will land on actually is the Media Library tab that shows all the contents that you have stored on our server, all the media items that you have stored on our server, much like YouTube or PhotoBucket or Facebook. These are the elements or the items of media that you have uploaded to our server, and these will be used to construct schedules and media content that you'll push out to the various screens that you have, whether it's in a waiting room or a lobby or whatever. And so we'll begin by showing how to upload media to your media library. It's very simple. The first thing you'll do, of course, is browse to the particular location on your computer that has the media item that you're going to upload. And this presumes, of course, that that media item has already been built and developed. And you'll take that, and here I'll upload a JPEG media item. Open that, and then you have to upload it. So you'll browse to find the location, and then once you've selected the location, upload that, and you'll see that that item will now be in your media library. Now, once you've selected the item, you can preview it to make sure that it is in fact what you intended to upload. And I will say this about previewing, and this is very important, and I'll probably harp on this many times throughout the different tutorials, and that is that you need to make sure that pop-ups are not blocked on the browsers for LifeSignsWeb.com. You really just need to make sure that LifeSignsWeb.com is allowed to have pop-ups in the browsers that you're using. And so even if you go to a different computer, make sure that LifeSignsWeb.com allows pop-ups. Because the preview screen, as you'll see, as I did before I previewed that media, here I'm on Firefox on a Mac, and it added a new tab, and that's how it handles pop-ups. So here's what you need to do: just make sure that you allow pop-ups in your particular browser. The media types that we allow to upload are Flash movies in the .swf format and JPEGs, and those movies and JPEGs are in various allowed sizes: 720 by 300 pixels, and that's an Internet Advertising Bureau standard size, and then multiples of that. So 720 by 300, 720 by 600, 720 by 900, or 1440 by 300, 1440 by 600, or 1440 by 900, and that really depends on whether or not you're going to be doing a split screen where media content that you've developed that you're uploading here will be on the right side, and then streaming media and different web sites will be on your screen on the left side, and mostly YouTube or whatever you're going to be using to stream your media. So and we'll get into that in other tutorials, but the allowed media types are Flash files and JPEGs. And the thing I want to make a comment too about Flash: whoever's developing your Flash, whether you're doing it or you have an outside media company building the Flash, they need to make sure that the images that are in the Flash allow for smoothing. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about here. Let's go to this Dick's Sporting Goods. And here's a Flash ad or media item. And you can see that the image, well, I don't know if you can in the screen tutorial or not, but it's very smooth. And this means that in whatever size screen you're going to display it on, when it has to stretch to fit the screen, it won't be blocky, and it'll be very smooth, and it'll look really good. So make sure that you allow smoothing in all of the imagery that you import into your Flash movies. And then also the Flash movies need to be Flash 7.0 or higher. So that's it for loading up media and the types of media that you can load up. And to delete media, it's very simple. Just select the item that you want to delete, click on Delete Selected, and it's out of your library. So these items are all on the server, and these are the items that will be pushed out to the screens that you have in your lobbies or waiting rooms. And this is where you manage that particular content as far as what's in your library that you can use. Thank you.